Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life. Today is the unboxing of my Realme 8 Pro. I'm so excited to open it, so let us start right away. Here we go. Okay, with all the excitement, let us see what's there in the box. This box contains the handset, the adapter, the USB cable, which is a Type-C. You'll have a SIM card tool, a screen protector, a film, of course the case, and also some information booklet along with the warranty card and also a quick guide. So let me just quickly tell you the general specification of it. The brand is Realme, the model is 8 Pro. It was released in India in March 2021. Okay, and with regards to the battery aspect of it, the battery is 4500 milliamps per hour, so it's like it can hold a long time without being actually charged. So the charger is your Super Dart. Well, a Super Dart charger uses two batteries instead of a single one, so it is simultaneously charging. So it will take approximately 1 hour 15 minutes only to have 100% charge of the battery. Isn't it amazing? The cable is a USB-C type, so it has more features because it's more relevant, and it is smaller and it is new, so it has more features with connection to your USBs like laptop and other devices. So let us here look at the phone. Okay, in this series you have three colors. You have the black, you have the blue, and then you have the illuminating yellow, which is a color that I have picked for my phone. So speaking about the display size is 6.43 inches. Okay, with regards to its display, it features a 6.4 inch full HD. Okay, so it has a Super AMOLED display, which is like 90.8% screen to body ratio. These specifications are more than enough to know about the display aspect of this phone. For a regular user like me who does not require anything more than that, so it will satisfy the needs of the AMOLED display. This phone comes with a Gorilla Glass 5 in the front as a protection, and on the reverse the back cover is of polycarbonate, which is a study cover for this phone. So here I am putting on the phone and I'm so excited about it. So here it starts. So as it is starting, let me quickly tell its specifications with regards to RAM and other storages. This phone has a RAM of 8 GB. It has an inbuilt storage of 128 GB. It can be expandable. You can have an expandable storage of up to 128 GB. This phone comes with a processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with a processor speed of 2.3 GHz and has the regular operating systems, or you can say it has Android operating system. And so let's move on to an important aspect of the phone, that is the camera. So the Realme 8 Pro has launched this phone that has 108 megapixel, which becomes a primary sensor. You have 8 megapixel, which is an ultra wide angle lens. Okay, that's the width of it while capturing. Then you have 2 megapixels micro lens, and you also have 2 megapixels black and white lens. So that is all there in this Realme 8 Pro. And I must mention here that it zooms 20 times. So wow, that's like just enough for capturing a very clear picture at a distance. On and all, I'm very excited about using this phone for a couple of years at least, because it has all the latest stuff in it. That is all, friends. Thank you so much for watching.